Hi everyone, I'm Johan, and in this second video of the LinkedIn Growth Academy, we'll be focusing on how to find relevant leads to add to your pipeline and how Walego will qualify them automatically for you. So the first step is to add leads. You want always Walego to have leads in your campaigns to be processed. And so basically the first way is you can create a single contact if you find any interesting profile manually when you are browsing on LinkedIn. You just have to paste the URL here. You can also import a CSV, same method with the LinkedIn URL. Walego will scan them and get all the information and the data. You can also scrap post reactions, meaning all people that like or comment on a post. It can be any kind of post you want. It can be your own post when you are creating content. It can also be a post of big influencers in your field, and it can also be posts from the competition where you can basically deduct that there is a high buying intent for people that engage with the post of your competitors. So you can scrap them by just pasting the URL here very simply. And then you also have the traditional methods of LinkedIn search. So you know that you can search for people on LinkedIn with some filters. Here I'm looking for marketing directors at fashion brands and luxury goods in the US, because this is what my client is interested in. And I also can use, so I just have to paste very simply here. And I also can use, oh, I don't think I have the right one. I also can use a sales nav search right here that will start importing as well. And so it's very simple. You have filters, and Walego will scrap the entire results. As simple as that. Okay, while it's importing, so everybody goes to pipeline, and you don't need a Sales Navigator if you don't have it, because we have a built-in AI scraper for prospect. So how it works is that you have here the different persona that we have created in the last video. That's literally the persona that my client is interested in. And we can write a prompt. So this prompt is more than enough for what I'm looking for, but I can write everything I want, and the AI of Walego will basically look on LinkedIn for the relevant leads. So I have a daily quota here of 950 leads that I can scrape per day, so it's a lot. And basically here I have right away the suggested leads, and I can basically check in a few seconds a few leads. Yeah, that looks interesting. And basically, if I'm satisfied, I just can add those people to the pipeline. And so here I'm gonna know now to the pipeline. Those leads are ready to be processed. And basically what Walego will do, remember the persona that we created last time? Walego will scan the profile. Well, this one is already scanned. It will scan the profile looking for relevancy. So Walego will scan the entire profile of the lead, all the keywords, all the titles, all the current companies, current occupation. So it will check that this person is actually in a role right now, and it's not just a mention on a LinkedIn. So everything that is accessible on a profile, Walego will scrap it to basically deduct if this person is relevant based on the persona that we have created, if it's relevant for SIP, who is my client, to engage with. So here you have the entire explanation. We agree with it. And once Walego finds the relevancy, it will invite people. And then so we only invite the right people, because the goal is to only send the right message to the right people. once it's accepted, it will generate a message, and I will show you this in the next video. So remember, LinkedIn is the number one B2B acquisition platform, but LinkedIn can be a real garbage sometimes when it comes to leads. Even with Sales Navigator on LinkedIn, with the most advanced filters, you will have waste, and that's why Walego persona qualification is key. Because why most LinkedIn outreach fails? Because of poor qualification. You end up with irrelevant contacts, and you can also waste a lot of time cleaning your list. With Walego, you get rid of all of this. You just tell the AI who are you're looking for. You fill up your pipeline with leads, and Walego will do the rest. See you in the next video.